So people, if you're watching for the first time, the UpnLive show is brought to you all courtesy of World Mag Entertainment, right here in TGM Radio by myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All Star, Fire Q, Look Up on your ass.
And you know what? Big up the sponsor. I want to say big up to Shush Print Vase Prints. You don't know. The sponsor every week to our show. So you don't know. Round of applause. You know, we have a very
No, me get Rasta name right. That's why I should clap.
bossy man in the building, you know?
Yes.
I think he's one of the bossiest man in England.
Boasy Solgy in England. And the new name for him is Make Noise. One word for nice is here live with us this evening. Welcome to the show, sir. You're so interested into your accessories. You don't even realize that you're live with us. Welcome to Boasy. What are you doing, brother?
Make him go and stuff himself, because you know, it's not a normal man. Remember, him can't wear the regular studio headphone them because remember, he didn't have name, you know, Boasy Solgy. Alright, see the presidential thing, you see him pull out the case and everything like that.
Yes.
You know, get the wire them check. I was call you why you use the red one today. Alright, cool. You don't know anything go, you have to get the accessories right.
May I tell you?
Know what I mean? So people, you know, this interview gonna be not one of them regular interviews. It's gonna be a very bossy interview.
It's gonna be over the top, yeah? It's gonna be eccentric. So for the eccentric people over there in Radio Land, welcome to UpnLive show. Boasy Solgy is here. Give thanks for making it to the show once again. Welcome back.
It's always a pleasure. UpnLive, you understand? Feel like I'm at home.
Yeah.
And I live in South London, so imagine that I'm there all the way and not.
A year a world and a year a studio, you know?
Yeah, we like it, and we like the decor, you know?
Yeah.
The decor kind of make me feel like we're in a BBC or
no, we're not BBC.
Capital or something like that. Them not have nothing over on right now.
This is TGM Radio.
Yes,
right.
And that me make you know.
You know what is the greatest thing about this radio station?
Yeah, go on.
Other than the radio station that you just mentioned,
yeah,
we actually do listen to your music.
See it there.
Yeah.
See it there.
And I'm not saying I'm throwing shots, but I'm throwing shots.
No, they need to take notes too, you know.
Hold on.
They need to know this
as
well.
Notes.
Shots are fired.
Yep.
Like, we are throw some shot on the BBC them and Rary. And we are throw some shot on the big Jamaican artists them too.
Yeah.
When you come here, when you don't come at the nice little studio them like this, when you run go BBC because that when you come like when you still not slavery.
Yeah.
Because when you run down on old colonial masters like Massa.
And then I play on the song
right.
them.
Yeah.
No, the song them now get play. One show them on BBC and it's Thursday night. Shani B, big up yourself. But anyway, rant over.
See it there.
Boasy Solgy is here. What you been up to, brother? What's good?
Yo, everything good in the brother. Right now, I'm happy.
Happy?
Yeah, me happy. But in a position where right now, I'm happy. New song just dropped. And I get the feedback when I get is overwhelming. Everybody I post, everybody share it. You know what I mean? Or I can't see my DM. Every time I go and clear my DM full again. You see what I say? So
makes sense.
We like the energy. You see what I say? I feel like this is one of the best projects I put out so far.
The song's called what? Make Noise or is
Make
it noisy?
Make Noise.
Why that title though?
Alright, Make Noise is a thing where always I say the thing loud, we thing turn up. You see what I say? But my thing them is that you love the flashy cars and the jewelry and the lifestyle kind of thing them, you see me?
Eccentric.
So it's like when somebody look on your chain, it's like you have a bag of people that look on you or your car just pull out. When we drive out the jog, people that look on the jog and like it right away. You see me I say? And it not really loud, but it make nice same way. You see me? Because everybody it a do it thing, you see me? So instead of me say the normal thing, you see me? Because I'm a cartel fan too. You see me? So instead of me I say the thing loud, my thing turn up. You see me? Without my thing, everybody look for my thing I talk to them, so my thing I make nice.
It's just make it nice.
Yeah, so my thing right now that's I make nice.
Makes sense. Cause see you've been doing your rounds as well and you've been quite busy, quite active. Because I realized that you were on quite a few little shows over the summer. We saw you on B-Line Festival.
Yes, Byline Festival.
Is it Byline Festival?
Byline Festival.
Apologies for the incorrect
that's all right.
pronunciation. But talk to me on the experience of that.
Byline Festival was one of the best experiences so far in my music career. Because when we reached there, it was a capacity of over 10,000 people.
That's
you understand? And when we reached there, it's like it just car just cover the grass all the way, and it's miles and miles of cars, and when we reach one place, it's like them pick we up in a different set of vehicle and bring we backstage, and the whole experience is a learning experience where it put you in a position, you know what I mean, for say, yo, all right, I saw it, I go look when you actually reach there, you understand? And it was a pleasure, you see me, and a open eye for being on Byline Festival and see the whole organization, how it work on a bigger stage, a bigger platform. You see what I say? How people move, how people operate. You know what I mean? Time schedule, everything apart, it goes on to schedule.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So you can't decide, say, I reach 5 minutes or I reach 10 minutes, you lose your slot. You understand? You lose your money, you lose your slot, and I hit that, you lose everything. So everything of a time construct properly. You understand? The people, or you greet, or you talk to people, or you, even when you take photos, it's like being there and being around whole heap of bigger artists that made it and do all the platinum and the gold.
Yeah.
It's a learning experience to see how them operate, how them move. You know what I mean? Being one-to-one and getting the feedback after my performance, getting the feedback from them telling you, you know
Exactly
what I mean? Oh, we
you
never
got.
hear about you before. We love your energy on stage. We like your vibes with the dancers and how you just operate. You know, seem stuck up here, easy to approach, and you know what I mean? We like that. It's a good learning experience.
So it's a professional level of environment, right?
Yes,
So
yes, very, very.
if you're not professional, that means that environment won't suit your career.
No, and you have to be adaptable. You know what I mean? Even if you come out of the ghetto, you know what I mean, and you're there
It's
for
a
the rocks
mindset.
and the rastas, you have to, when you reach there, it's like you have to dip on a level now where you have to be confident. You know what I mean? People are gonna come to you from different radio stations, from different newspaper, and they're gonna talk to you, and they're gonna ask you a question. You can't do that a second guess, or you know what I mean? What make you do know kind of thing, you know what I mean? You have to reach there and just start, you know, be one of them right away.
Level the playing field.
Yeah, definite.
I see you still be making your runs because we recently was at the celebration, the 40th anniversary for VP Records, and we noticed that you were one of the first person we see when you walk into the room, and also at the after party you were one of the main performers. Talk to me about your connection with the VP brand.
All right, VP was one of the labels that gave me the opportunity to sign a distribution deal. You know what I mean, for my first EP. You know what I mean? And from them take me under them wings, them always a show with the different routes to go. Them always help out with certain things. A lot of people bash BP in different ways. You know what I mean? But it's not about the mentality of, yo, what me want from VP, what me want from this label. Is what you want for work towards and get the exposure. You understand? Because me as a youth now, there's a lot to learn from music. Music is not just going on a mic and making a song and writing cool bars and then go spit it. Music is a whole business. You understand? You have to know how to construct the business. You know? You have to know how to get it out there. With VP now, them have the best of the best underneath them wings. So don't care what them do. But then are all of the bad publicity where going with VP.
Yeah.
You need that. You need their platform for learn and for moving in the right direction, so you can actually reach somewhere where you can start do your own thing. You know what I mean? And it was a good experience being around VP and like Chin and Donovan, Sarah. You know what I mean? Them always a show certain things and pick up certain buttons when we left off and say, no, you need to do this, you need to move that. You know what I mean? This is what you need to do. I'm like how them deal with me personally. You understand? Whosoever have like bad encounter with VP, me not see that yet. You know what I mean?
You don't get that yet. But hopefully, going forward with this new single, see you have quite some good names in the production scene, because I realize Solgy is involved.
Yes.
And the Cody, the bad producer, is involved as well.
Yes.
And so, but first, before me have to big up management too, because Nira, she's at it.
Yeah, man.
She's full of connections, and she's the one who's pulling some decent plugs.
Man. Press button. Anything, once you press the button, everything connect, man.
Yeah.
And it's a lady like this. She's a lady we don't take no for your answer.
Like
or if
that.
you give her no, you have to explain why is the no. It's me. And when they explain why is the no, you have to explain why is the no.
So or you consider your brand in the dancehall space in UK? Would you consider it a moderate, okay, very good, or it's alright?
You know what? Would I say it's moderate. You get me? Because when I go, we still a learn. I'ma still see people where every time I feel like I do something banging and everybody say yes. I hear a next artist where we have something sick like a Randy Valentine and them give a different kind of vibes, or a Stylogy come with a different kind of vibe. So every time I feel like I grew and I reach a certain level, I always going on next space where it's like raw. Yo, you know, say you know reach away yet, you have enough to learn of this music thing.
Yeah.
You understand? So we still a learn and we're not graduate yet. You understand? I not get the big hit yet, so I'm not gonna say yo, I'm up there. In the music business, we need the selector them, we need the DJ them, we need the promoter them for help young artists as well. You understand? Because with me, it benefit me if I have good friends like Styler G, isn't me? Yeah, Big Zeeks, the whole of the stars and with the room we kind of help for put my music on a platform. But at the same time, I can't get too big at it and say yo, yeah, I'm there up there. Isn't it? I'm still there in the midway. I learn for try to get up there.
Okay, as I mentioned, like we need each other. All artists always complaining that they need the DJs and the radio personnel to help them. Do you think the artist is playing their part to help like some of the DJs that coming up when they actually make it in terms of dub plates and all, certain of the jingles and stuff, what they could do to help out young upcoming artists to preserve the career of, no, not even the career, I would say the whole culture of the genre of reggae music and dancehall.
Alright, well I feel so far I'm doing this music thing for a short while. But so far what I say so far is a cycle. You know what I mean? It's a cycle where the radio station and certain artists not help certain artists, and certain artists push them best and reach on a certain level, and when them reach on that level, then the DJs them come up then now and them want all of the dub plate them and them want everything from the artist, which back then when we last struggle and I try to get that push. You know what I mean? You want to give it that push. You go to the people and where they all the way at Jamaica where never I got. You know what I mean?
Some of the time you have some DJ that in the UK is facing a real uphill challenge, and like you have artists out there who could do a lot for them because they have ties, they grew up together or they grew up in the same circle, and they don't tend to return the favor once they get big. Is hit that is like done and dusted. They don't try to help out the DJ because I don't know why, and some of the time is that same DJ was helping them with their career when there was nobody.
Alright, I'm gonna answer that perfectly right now. You mentioned Gully Bop earlier while I listened to you, yeah? And this is how it go. You see me? You see the people them where help you go up. You see when they reach up, if you don't help them back and pull up everybody with you, or pull up as much as you can with you, you're gonna end up a pass them go right down back. You see me? And them same people they have to go sometime go and end up a ask for help. You understand? Yeah? So me personally, I can't talk for everybody else. Me personally as an artist, I feel like say, if right now all me I work because my dancers them and the people them around me, I have a strong team with them around me, I have a family around me. You see me? What make me feel like, yeah, I them want to do it for. And I can't say myself, it's like the same with the DJ them, like Bagger British where move with me when I say, yo, I have show. And Bagger say, yo, I say to Bagger, say, yo, Bagger, I have a show, rare, I want a DJ. And I say, alright, boss, I call it, but what I sort it out. You see me? Or the other day when we did a Byline Festival, Bagger need child care and Mixmaster J did there. And I said, Mixmaster, Bagger can't turn up. So here I'm wife for mix me and I'm like, yo, I say the next word, bossy, right away, you see me?
Yeah.
So it's because me I get them energy there. Personally, me can say me I reach to a pinnacle where I can help others, you see me? And then me just go and go their face. You see me? Because I know my kind of thing that, as you probably know, so the soldier from the Boasy is an army, and me as always a teamwork kind of person, you see me? And one hand can't clap. So I feel like say if everybody work together, you see me?
You can reach
the music dancehall on a whole, we need that kind of work together there to get it branch off and have our own little platform, because we big in other little something here compared to other music like all the rock and the hip hop, you see me? Yeah, we need a bigger space.
Dancehall reggae music was one of the founded fathers for like a lot of these genre. We already know that. And the reason why I asked the first question that I asked is because of the whole reason, like when artists tend to make it nowadays, like who normally get the credit is the producer, the engineer, or the people who in their immediate circle at the moment. They're not talking about from how you get there, like how you get the first breakout to get there. Some of those people get dropped out in the margins and don't get no credit whatsoever. And like I think it's time for some of them to get credit. That's why I'm inspiring a lot of young artists to try to do the right thing and give credit where it's due, because nobody not saying like you need to boss them or you need to do this for them, but it's all about giving credit where it's due, because some of the time if somebody do a key hook or something in a song, they're gonna ask for credits if he make it to the Billboard or whatever. So
Definitely.
It's just be the same if somebody play a vital role in a turning point in a career, they need to get credit for it.
Therefore. Alright, it's a chain, you know. It's a chain where everybody needs it. Alright, let me show you how the chain work now. And if we don't get that, And that's what we're missing in our dancehall space. Yeah? The chain is the artists, the DJs, the dancers, the party goers. That's how it work. If the artists do have the DJs, you're not gonna win. Because that means you're not gonna get played on the radio because DJ play on the radio. A DJ playing at the dance. You understand? Yeah? The dancers them are the one where they stand up in a one corner and move to your music and make your music
Makes sense.
go
So
out here. You understand? Then you have the party goers them will come out now for party and do a long weekend. So everything is a chain, it connect. So for me as an artist now understanding that chain, me not feel like if an artist busting your reach up there, you need to recognize the DJ them first and foremost, apart from the people them where in a management where actually do the groundwork, the groundbreaking work. You need to go out there. As we did the care a while ago.
I can give you a perfect example to one of those persons in the street who would do this all the time, and I see what he's doing and I idolize what he's doing, because over here, I would say Dan Boss is one of the pioneer. We talk about getting good together.
Big
with
up Dan Boss.
The dancers, the DJs, and the party goers, because he's out there 24/7. He's always doing his thing, and so come like anytime people hear him song, he's getting a little buzz. Even from when it pick up, even this song was an image. Remember that song been out long time, but he's just trying to get traction out here in the wider UK because he worked that song and he's in the party every day promoting it. He's not balling down to select and say, yeah, I play my song and then about no man. But in terms of respect, you give him that amount of respect because you say like, yo, the song sound good and he's actually out in the street with us. He feel like one of us.
But I tell you this, yeah, we can blame a lot of the artists them, but for me, what me see so far, yeah, because I can't only talk about me personally and what I'm witnessing the music, dancehall music, like crab in a barrel kind of something.
Long time.
You know what I mean? But it's a selector sometimes one of our biggest problem. Because you might have a hot song out there, you see me? And a selector like the song, but the first thing we're going to tell you say, yo, here what? You need to drop a thing in the account, drop a 80 pound or a 1 bills or a 120, and then I'm going to blaze it at the dance. Yeah. So hear me say now. Yeah?
I don't agree with that. I would say that firstly, if a selector tell you that, run him away. I not agree with it.
But at this match I show you. So before Evo make the hit, I make the money, you see me? The selector them will try bag a pocket. So now if me go so bam, because I get it a few times where I'm gonna say, yo, but want that song here, want blaze thing about rare because you see me? I may say, brother, you know what I go on? Just not deal with me again. Nobody call me, nobody heal me, nobody because here what I go on. You take out money to my pocket, I don't even have yet. You see me? And they're the same one I go say, yo, want a dub plate. You see me? If the thing if the thing make and God pave the way, I'm a reach there. You the same one I go say, yo, I want a dub plate. I want this, I want that. And if you can ask my DJ, we did the car a while ago.
Yeah.
Good that you asked a question here. We did the car a while ago and I say, what you said to me, the next song, the next song we need to start charge. Yeah? Come here. The next song we need to start charge. Yep. Apart from the make nice. And what I say to you?
You said no, I don't want to charge no DJs nothing. I want to give them all the dub plates for free. Every DJ for free.
Alright.
And you cannot give every DJ for free.
No. Listen, I'm going to show you how it works now. I'm not just an artist, I'm a businessman. Yeah? Your DJ, you're going to collect a dub plate for £80. Yeah? Or 2 bills, 3 bills, 4 bills, 5 bills, whatever you're going to collect from a DJ. You see me? The DJ you're going to pay to an audience of 500 to 1,000 people. The promotion where you are going to get from the DJ itself for 500 or 1,000 or 2,000, whatever the capacity for buy that one song is the greater amount than what you going to give that DJ is going to give to you. So how about you give that DJ a free dub plate, him promote the song, and 10,000, 5,000, 500 people go buy the song.
Round of applause for that. You know why? Why I say that? You see, any dub plate that I get for free, I always love it more than the one that I take my money and spend.
Yeah, that's true.
Me have any TJ, any Tamale, any one of them, and they're free. You know,
now,
you know one of my favorite dub plates right now?
Yeah, man.
Rockers Element dub plate. I get a song from them. They tailor made a song to us and to our show. And it's one of my favorite dub plates. And we have TJ, we have all of that song them. And that's my favorite.
It's
because
But a business, as me say, you can't yet when you learn the music, everything me going on, I'm going at full time, I'm not going at 90%. So when I'm coming at music, I want to learn it. So I'm going at 100%. So I want to look on the whole ins and outs. So if me have to take care of the DJ, then for the DJ, then take care of me. So I forgot. Is that what I say?
So hopefully this song, the nice song,
Make
the
nice.
nice abatement accent, make nice song.
Hold on now.
Make
So,
nice.
so this song, the nice song, like we are talking about it. Remember just play it, make the people me hear what song we are talking about. So
Alright.
I'm gonna drop the nice song now. People just stay tuned. Nice. We are make some nice in a winner. You know what the thing, right?
Just roll out in the big black jug. Close from head to feet, just popped up. Girl, them smell the creed and I go on mad. Exclusive, my team never standard. We are met nice, private jet a flyer. Sleep and wait non-stop to Dubai. True Bugatti, we did do a suicide. Ever clean, ever neat, ever fresh, so we hype. We are met nice, true, we are set trend. We are met nice, cause money starts spend. Two new friends that a pound and yen. Tell bad mind, nah, no time for them. When we are met nice and a la at the fat RR gal bump a cough. House on the hill, couple mil dung. I had Boasy squad a live large, now for yaks. We are met nice, private jet to Dubai. We are met nice, Louis V duffel bag full of cars. We are met nice, 2 yard bad gal a get wild. We are met nice, not enough like semi-old eye. We are met nice, met nice, met nice.
You know that was Boasy Solgy. You know what the thing go? That song was started met nice. You know what the thing go? Loud. Now people, now check out the video, you know. 2 Blackjack Park, Pound 1 strip, you know. God.
I make be nice.
Make
Be
be
nice,
you know.
Lord.
You want to see pretty car?
Lord.
Pretty car, you know, be.
And another video that in there's like a promo ad. The video actually where I plan for God Dubai go shoot it, you see me? Yeah, so the thing, look out for the video coming soon.
Yes, mad. And people, make sure you make nice for the winter. Yeah, and the DJ them, we need to make some nice for the singer. I like the energy already, as I said, I just here for the first time because I pre one next song. I forward to the studio, but at the wrong song, I pre, but I know the wrong song, at the right song, but we still make nice pan the right
and
song.
I want to see we one of the ball of them song that one is it.
Yeah. So what next? What's next for Boasy Solgy?
Well, right now, I do one ambitious kind of movement. So right now, we plan say Midnight is gonna run till January. We're gonna promote that from now till January, and then from January to December, we drop 1 tune a month. You see me?
Makes
and
sense.
What may I try to do with 1 tune a month? May I try to get 1 banger a month.
A stylogy method that I like that intention there.
You see me? No, it's not even. May I try work the mind?
It makes sense because it makes sense you put the energy behind one body of work than have everything all over the place and in the mix.
Is it, man? I say?
Yeah, it makes sense.
So we try to feed the people and with the EP. The EP consists of 8 songs. When VP get that, then they'll push it out the worldwide. You know what I mean? And big up to them. We get whole heap of plays and whole heap of things I start off with in America side. You understand? So once we can start to do that tour there, it good. So we'll push the EP, so nobody never hear nothing new from us for a while.
Yeah.
Because we never want to take with that energy there. So now we get to go ahead now for start pump some music. We're there in the studio every day. So right now, even today, the delivery just forward where my whole backyard tear down and build up and I be a studio equipment them. So right now we're just gonna live in a studio.
Makes sense.
Is it?
Right now,
So we say you have one studio at home now.
Yeah, my home studio now. When we set up and that's where I work from now. And then when we're done, we're gonna link code it. So I'm gonna get the raw, the raw.
your raw file.
So
the raw
it's
file.
Scotty
And
is the
then
one who do the mix and mastering then.
yeah. So and even the recording. So
Okay.
we record it at home. You see me? Or with Mars or with Flames.
And
You
get
see
the
me? And
melody,
then
get the
the
punch
melody, and
right.
then we'll practice it. And then
then
we'll
you
go
go to
coding
coding.
and do the
Okay.
final thing, final record.
You see a
the
demo
mix
at
and
home
master.
then.
Therefore.
Makes sense. But right now, you do it at home. We're going to try to do a little demo in the studio. So.
Yeah.
Apart of name Dragon Time, you know.
Jesus.
know what's
But
that
I
boss?
get some sick. I get some. Hold on there. That not sound good. I get some signal like there's some
We got over
derailments. But I kind of fix up a little thing. So before we get into the interview, the freestyle part of it,
Yeah.
this is what we want to find out. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Boasy Solgy name. Obviously, we know that you're an ex-soldier.
Yeah.
And the lifestyle of Boasy Solgy, what does it contains for, like say, a day-to-day basics for a Boasy Soldier?
Yo, my day-to-day basis is mad. All right, look on this now. He's a married man. You see me?
Ladies, I'm running for the man thing.
Yeah, but I whole heap of them, you know, the man them something that them bad, you know. Them bad, brother.
Not because I'm a little bit of stardom I reach the man and nobody running that man
but
so
I'm my wife, par. I'm right on that, you see me? Me and my wife, anyway you see me, you see my wife, you see me? Just you have to take care of the youth tonight watching the day, you see me? Yeah? So me and my wife par day to day, you see it? So big up my wife at home with the youth, you see it? Yeah? So I have 2 youth, my youth are 13, so that I'm a family man. So when I know the music, you see me? I'm a family. You see it?
Good.
Me I one of the youngest CP them about the place as well. So I work with the likes of David Guetta, Princess Anne, Naomi Campbell, Simon Cowell, the whole of them. So I'm the bodyguard as well. So I mix the music with work and being a family man. So if you check that, the sleeping time not really there, brother.
Yeah.
But them say, if you have to reach at the highest of your pinnacle, you see me? You have to do the hard work now while you're young.
You have to put in
sacrifice, So right now, while I'm young, I need to put in the sacrifice there. That's when I get older, I can go somewhere and chill back and relax and live. Is what I say. But right now, I'm on a rest, brother.
But you see, right now, at that time of the evening, you know.
Yeah, man.
I know the people that have been watching and been waiting. This is
do it now, man.
the time of the dragon time, you know.
I don't know what should them reach me yet, you know. But
this is the part we call, the freestyle.
Do what I want to do.
And why we call it freestyle? Because we don't pay nobody nothing to freestyle some bars in here. Just do something. So I'm gonna play a rhythm. I'm gonna drop some bars. So I think I'm gonna take it all tonight.
Jesus Christ. What is no. This the man go. Lord God Almighty. Hey. Catch it. Yo. They wanna know my name is Boasy Solgy. Know my name so hyper. Every time we touch in the streets, so we ever look clean and we're brighter than the starlight. They said they wanna know my name is Boasy Solgy. Know my name so hyper. Every time we touch in the streets, so we ever look clean and we're brighter than the sunlight. My bossy, ever clean, ever neat, ever fresh. Full suit Louis V money maker. You touch me neck, the ice freeze at the death. Clear the way and I say bossy a step. When we step in at the club, the girls them know who we are. Them niggas on the bar, you drink my shell on the bar. Every youth with the round me, real get a star. Them bad mind when them see the fat Jaguar. The BM and the, yeah, see them man. And the vibes, you know. I always say bossy, I only want bossy, you see me. I will have rhythm, catch it. Yeah, so you know my style, you know me not for fake it. I know a lot of people out there not gonna rate it. Because we ever look clean, bad mind want pre. Them never know say Boasy Solgy woulda make it. I'm so fly. Girl, I call me royalty. Me have a lot of girls who want me. Them take me up for shopping just to keep me smartly. I forget we drop my deposit in my Barclay. I get low pay the tax, I get low buy the gas. The wife is sit a yard, chill and relax. And she up here to read me at the Beckham, she the posh. I forget we keep the car clean when the different wash. A girl been with the score, she love me to the core. Just when the bed she clean the bathroom, just sweep the floor. We have a girl we keep it clean. Louis V after we tour, man a gallus. You know say for the nookie, naga store me have a girl in Switzerland. She say me at the man, cause every time we walk her is a different position. She not forgive me nothing cause she know for shine. Ja tired but she have to carry on. Yeah, me have a girl with pretty smile, she have some pretty eyes. I them the type of girl you know say Boasy Solgy like. Me give her a slam, she give me a grand. She say Boasy, you know I said that I did not keep it. Hey, it's again number style, you know. Yeah.
Live in the studio, this is Boasy Solgy. And the boss I go, you know what, I give me some metaphors when I kind of read up and I say, yeah. And that I go on, even though he not say it, you know, I understand what he say. I like that, the clarity. Yeah. Oh, you stay, you want forward again?
Hold on, stop it. You see that one I know?
Yeah.
That one is my favorite tune. And why am I do that tune here? Because I serve the army, I see people, I see the cry.
Yeah.
You see, I see Grenville. We see certain things with Grenville and nobody get charged yet. We see certain things that go on. I feel like me as an artist, as a young artist, I need to spread the word out there and I do the same thing at the chop and the flossing, just all of that. I feel like me need for help and push out something. I know that I get the platform where people have listening ears. We need to put that one out there. So, but can do that one free, brother? Can do that one without a rhythm? Can do that one without a rhythm?
Without a rhythm?
Yes, please.
Go on then.
Yeah? We say this not right, right. The government a trick we like we blind. How doctor fear strike? Then take we jobs, raise we tax and cash show no spending. Facts tell me what the hell this? 12 million spent on poor Benedicts. Every day dig up road bout them a fix. Bang up bankrupt, who get the benefits? Parliament tell me do square for the people. Pension cut, you know say that a evil. When the money used by new vehicle mislead the people, both leave EU. Hey, this a parliament slackness. No for them a actor, some a actress. You get degrees still have to work in a factories. Minimum wage living here in a blacklist. Only God stop this. They must spend billions on war, billions on bombs, billions on warships, billions on tanks, billions on prison and corporations. But not spend none on kids' education. Shut down youth centers to cut back on funds. Driven the youth them to turn into thugs. The devil will find work for all like the lands. Creating drug dealers who create the gangs. The government in charge of all of the ports. So much illegal gun on the roads. 14-year-old can't come out them postcode. So me I say.
I like it, but it sound like it's a remainder. Paper, Boasy Solgy live here inside the studio. This is the UpnLive show. I know we got one extra 3 minutes. I don't know if we are giving one look at extra 3 minutes. I'm still with the 3 minutes there. You want to look at extra something? I'm going to start the freestyle. Now the studio, everything at Boasy Solgy, they're on the chat. You ready to jump in with a year? She want to go on, you know?
That's so.
Yeah, so with it.
Alright. And that's how the Jesus Christ.
Jack go old school.
And that's I've watched when I'm gonna find out.
Ready up.
Hey, what am I talking around the people? She tell them so careful. Look on the beat, when I'm sleeping, we make grenade pull. Can't feel it, I'm from eating, you not get the table. Rougher than a steel wool. Right up on them and see them relax and them a eat food. Group up in a bubble and I shut them and me feel good. Roll out them. Guess what? You say Boasy Solgy. Me no in the argument thing. Me no laugh, me no grin. Me use gun, chop my beat and leak out them skin. In a yard of foreign, me all in for it. I'm a walking, my gun fully loaded. Hey, when gunshot a bark in a day in the dark, when the key get pop off, it no wave like a frog. We no bust it in the ear like we a kill God. Man, I straight by the bag with that.
I remember as a soldier.
We need to go again. Alright. Them say them want to clean something. Hey, I see it now. I feel them one. Catch it. Yo. Hey, yo. We tell them say no dirt. I will say no dirt. You have to catch it fast, man. Hey, brush off your pants, brush off your shirt. Brush off your blouse, brush off your skirt. Brush off your suit, brush off your boot. Grandpa, grandma, look at you, I say no dirt. The straight jeans on my walk, I say no dirt. To the girl on my top, I say no dirt. To the whip on my drive, I say no dirt. To my swat, to my start, clean to my brick, clean to my mouth, clean to my brick. Clean like we say without the ref. Party stop on the road, we step now. Bend your back, bend your knee. Easy step in, so 1, 2, 3. You can't do it, just follow crazy. Do the dance from you know lazy and say I'm so fresh, I'm so clean. I'm so fresh, I'm so clean. Wow, I'm so fresh, I'm so clean. Wow, our dancers link up right now. We say no dirt. You see that over?
No dirt. Like I don't want to go out extra time.
I kill
it. Before we jump into the freestyle again, can you just give me some information when you have an next little dub session, so in case nobody want to jump in, you know?
Alright, yo, we say dub session at Stingray Studios. So I say on the 28th of November, so put it in the calendar. Remember, you see me? All DJs link up. You understand? So
28th of November coming, yeah?
28th of November, so put it in the calendar and remember. That's the date to remember. The 28th of November, November the 28th. All DJs link up. Stingray Studio.
How we can find you? And you and your music?
You can't find me. For the ladies, you can't find me in my yard, but my wife might run her down. You see me? But otherwise than that, you see me? Boasy Solgy, Boasy Solgy, Instagram, and all other platforms are the same thing. We keep it simple. So Boasy Solgy, Boasy Solgy.
Alright, so people, that was Boasy Solgy live inside the studio. We're gonna give him a like a last minute. He does do anything you want to do the last minute, right? You want Dragon, full the time.
This are going. Hey, see there? Alright. Yo, so I've been through the troubles and the trials and the tribulation. Get a youth, but tell them say we have to stay strong. We have to stay, we have to stay strong in this giddy. And every day I've been through the troubles and the tribulation. Get a youth, but tell them say we have to stay strong. We have to stay strong in this giddy. And every day, because them want to see we so far. Them want to see we fall. Them want to see we would back against the wall. And them don't want to see we survive. Them want to see we we stray. So instead of them build schools, them build jail. Yes, but I'm a product of the system. Yeah, why I'm a victim? So why when we talk the bigger heads not listening? Is it my background or my address? But when time for vote, them want the tick not the yes. Look how hard we are work and I sweat. And not the taxman get the paycheck. Buy the sweat off our blood, yes we shall eat bread. But I'm hungry, I take with the bed now. I'm saying no the politicians not care. Them only come round once for the year. But now get a use rise up, open your rise up and keep the chicks at egg. Catch it, so we a real party and here and no bad vibes in a want in a year. If you like press like red heart in a year, we a party hard from the start of the year. Party we say and we now hold back. Anyway the party the buckle of a pop. Y'all them a wine tick-tock non-stop rotate them body like on pan clock. Tap we a tap in a Versace we are when the entourage about.
You know the strips, because that was Boasy Solgy people. You know the thing of freestyle it. See it?
You know the shred, the badness.
Yeah, you know the badness go.